Okay, so I got the Razo aftermarket shift knob. It's weighted, and what happened recently is it came apart. This sleeve is supposed to be in there, and now there's a little pin in here. I didn't try to pull the pin out, but it shakes every time the car is on. It's really annoying. I'm just gonna try to pull that out, try to glue that back in, or it's threaded actually down in there. But I'm actually just gonna use J-B Weld. Steel reinforced epoxy, dark gray, never come off again. J-B Weld's 2-part epoxy. Just squeeze it out. Get what you need, squeeze it out. Just clean off the tip. Now after this, you have to mix it up. I'm gonna do this off camera, but you get the idea. Once you have it all mixed up, it'll be like a gray texture, gray mixture. I'm actually just gonna slip it on there, coat the inside of the knob as well, all the way down in there. It should be good after that. But that's basically it, guys. J-B Weld, 2-part mixture. Mix it up on a piece of cardboard. Doesn't have to be anything special. Shift knob's back on. It's all dried. It's not gonna come off. I can't twist it. It's definitely solid. I don't have any doubts next time I shift it'll stay on there. So that's a J-B Weld 2-part epoxy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.